Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Swamp Journalist Stash Stalker 2 updated. Begin by checking spawn zones near marsh huts and note patrol patterns to avoid fights. Focus on stealth routes that circle water features and use cover consistently to minimize alerts. Prioritize lootable crates and hidden caches along creek banks because they often hold key items. Track your progress and adjust timing when enemies respawn for efficient runs and fewer setbacks. You will need gear that supports stealth and quick looting to secure Swamp Journalist Stash Stalker 2 consistently. Choose light armor to reduce noise and keep mobility high while slipping past scouts. A compact melee weapon and a silenced ranged choice cover close and distant threats without drawing unnecessary attention. Pack lockpicks for locked boxes and bait to lure creatures away from caches, making each run smoother and more productive. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more updates and guides. Quick recommendation: I love The Simple Path to Wealth as a book that changes money thinking and helps you prioritize resources for gaming and life. It pairs nicely with loot management tips. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a copy and maybe fund your next in-game purchase. Now let's get back to the video. Follow the Northern Marsh entrance route and move clockwise to maximize cache encounters for Swamp Journalist Stash Stalker 2. Use tall grass and reeds for cover when sneaking toward loot spots and avoid open crossings during patrol windows. When areas feel crowded, fast travel out and back after 10 minutes to reset spawns and patrols. Time your approach with enemy routines, strike quickly, and extract along the creek to reduce risk and run time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.